Tower, Cavalon, Gyroplane, November 401, Golf Romeo, EFI South with Kilo, ready to taxi. Okay, so I'm going to want you to do the taxi. Tower 401, Golf Romeo, Gyroplane, Cavalon's ready, Bravo 3 intersection, 15 right.
401 Golf Romeo, from a 15 right at intersection Bravo 3, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 15 right, intersection Bravo 3, 401 Golf Romeo. Alright, clear left, high and low, clear right.
And a clear right.
Setting the engine RPM to 2000, and I'm going to touch this button and hold this. That's the pre-rotation button. Once I get to 120, I put the stick forward and straight. Through 220, through 230, through 250, 260. The stick's going to come back quite a bit, okay?
Yeah.
So 1 release pre-rotator, 2 stick full half, 3 release wheel brakes, 4 we set the power. Not full power, just enough to start rolling. And then we announce the rotor RPM, 240, 250, 260. The nose wheel comes off the ground and we balance on the mains, feeding in full power, and then we're flying in ground effect. Accelerate to 60 knots.
Holy moly, it's fabulous.
And then up she goes.
Oh my God, she's beautiful. Oh my God, she's gorgeous. Oh my God, Yaron always says the helicopter's a magic carpet, but this actually seems a bit more magic carpety, doesn't it?
That's a nice compliment.
You have got the view here. Yeah, I see about.
Well, yeah, we got a
straight.
crazy climb
Yeah.
angle going on. In fact, I'm letting the airspeed bleed down a little bit. So what I'll do is I'll start tightening the nose down, and you'll see what a normal attitude looks like.
Right. So you climbed then. At what speed were you climbing?
60 knots.
Same. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Oh my God. I have the controls.
You got the controls.
I'm going
So
up.
take me out towards, there's a black building out there, a large black building. Just take me out towards the black building.
Okay.
Okay, so once we get out over the water, we're going to have you do a couple of turns, and then we'll come back and we'll do a couple of circuits around the pattern.
Okay.
I'll give you a taste of it. Give me a right turn.
Right.
All right, we'll go for about 30 degrees of bank, whatever you estimate that to be. Okay.
Right.
Keep going. Roll bank. More. And while you're in the bank, I want you to do some keep the string coordinated. Let's go for a steeper turn. Let's go. A little bit more. That's good. Now come back with some strong pressure on the stick. A little bit more. There you go. And you're going to have to maintain some pressure on that stick. Keep it go down. Very nice. Look where you're going. Look out at the rotor disc. Looks beautiful. Very nice. Maybe a little bit more right rudder. Just a little bit. There you go. Keep that airflow right over the frame. Very nice. Keep it coming. All right, I'm going to bring us back closer to shore.
Oh, now that's flying. This is flying. Oh my God, it's amazing. Oh my gosh, you must have some fun in this.
Oh yes. If we needed to do a quick about face, we could do a quick about face. We could lower the power.
Yeah.
Bring the nose up. As long as we have some wash over the tail, we could just kind of bring her right around.
Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, she's fantastic.
Make that cool little blade slap noise, you know, you hear in your helicopters quite often.
She is...
401 Golf Romeo, I'd like to head back to Whites up for some touch and go. Minimum speed coming in, you don't want any lower than 55 knots. This is the front of the airplane, not here. So I look right here, and I look out towards the end because, you know, there's a little bit of parallax, kind of sitting offset. And come down to ground effect and power idle. There we are.
Beautiful.
Right the nose down. Turn out the pressure. We got 320 rotor RPM sitting still. We're going to do a touch and go. Gonna add some power. We can get that nose off. There it is. Right wheel is fast. And accelerating ground effect. Off we go.
It seems so much quicker or something, or maybe it's because I'm just not used to it. It's really, like you're up in the hill. so much quicker, but obviously you're not. But it just...
Yeah, it's a different feeling, you know.
Yeah.
Different pitch attitude and everything compared to a helicopter where you... Alright, so we'll do something a little different. We'll do a little bit of a pirouette coming down.
Oh my gosh, it's like...
So I can be all outside, I don't have to worry about, I'm not worrying about rotor RPM.
Oh, a perfect name, pirouette. She's like a little dancer.
At 401 Golf Run, we're going to head back to EFI South. Just clean here at Bravo 3. Thanks for the practice.
Excellent, excellent.
Welcome to the world of flying gyroplanes.
Oh my god, it's excellent.
It's a fun, maneuverable, very efficient machine.
It is a beauty.